We're trying out the Rockler one-handed spring bar clamps, and these are kind of a joke according to the advertisement because that's how wide they get. And if you want to clamp anything together that's of any size, it just doesn't work. But they are great clamps. I love them. So this is how the clamps work. Boom, squeeze, pull the lever right here. And that's it. Okay, now we'll just let this set up, put in a couple screws on the side, on both sides, and we'll have this piece installed. It's just so much faster than using the other clamps where you have to screw around with squeezing the handle and just one lever right here, boom, and the thing snaps right closed, and a little squeeze here, and it works really good. Okay, this is a great use for these clamps. So here, got to clamp down real quickly, take our domino, as you can see, it held this down real firmly. And now to get ready for the next board, lift up, lift up, get our board in place. And we're ready to go.